10 reasons why you're not making money day trading. Let's just get this out there. Trading sucks when nothing is working in your favor after you have tried everything. Don't get discouraged if you have heard this cliche fact that around 80 to 90% people don't make money while trading. But the good news is you can easily fix your mistakes by figuring out what's going wrong. We know how desperate you are to make moolah by trading. Watch this video to find your mistakes and allow trading to free you from your shitty 9-to-5 slavery. Here is an offer for you. You're going to like this video and subscribe to this channel, and I am going to give you the most valuable reasons along with solutions, not repetitive ones, that you have ever seen in a YouTube video. And if you don't agree, just take back the like and subscribe. There is no risk to your end. What's up, traders? Here, we will discuss the top 10 reasons why you are not making money day trading. Let's get started. Reason number 1, you are complicating trading. I have posted this to number 1 because in my opinion traders fail miserably because they make the entire trading process problematic for themselves. From checking charts to risk management, from using actual strategy to learning market dynamics. Don't fall for the victim to complexity. Let me tell you how. The overcomplex thing traders make is their chart. It doesn't matter how many indicators you learn, you won't get better. If your chart looks disorganized, it means you are confused with the analysis process. If you're obsessed with spending countless hours continuously staring at charts, you are overcomplicating things too. Solution: do opposite. Don't forget your primary goal. The main piece of data you are trying to study and trade is price. Your step 1 should be to cover up the most essential thing in the market, that is price action. Before you do any depth learning, remove the indicators and start learning how to trade on plain, naked price charts. Please note that adding variables like indicators, fundamentals, news, people's opinion, or anything else is always going to jumble up your mind. Remember this mantra, keep it simple. Reason number 2, you aren't good at preserving trading capital. Many people confuse the definition of capital preservation. Whenever beginners DM me with their problems, I always ask, do they even know everything capital preservation entails? Usually their reply is no. That's when serious issues start. In my opinion, another name of capital preservation is patience. The patience to wait with your trading money until the right price action setup builds up will lead you to good results. Solution: play safe with capital preservation. Imagine any shooting game. If the player shot all his ammos aimlessly, he would not be in position to aim at the target on ideal time, as he would be out of the ammo. This scenario works best on trading too. If you, as a trader, trade all the time, you will end up wasting your money ammo in the ground. You will not be able to take proper opportunity to shoot on the target. Good trade. Remember, you are not going to be better in trading if you are not good at preserving your trading capital. Reason number 3, you have zero routine. Let's get this simple. If you don't have a decent routine, get ready to flush your trading career down. The way you function yourself will show genuine results to your trading. Don't even expect compatible results from trading if you are not even serious with the market. Many people often don't want to start learning from a mentor, believing they will figure it out somehow by themselves. The next thing happens is they have no possible real trading strategy and end up randomly staring at the market, hoping somehow the market will build results in their favor. Solution: routine leads trading. You already know the solution deep down in your heart. Don't overconfidence yourself by believing you can figure it out alone. Take help from experts. Set up your routine effectively. What I do is I just don't mindlessly check my chart all day. Just check 2 or 3 times per day and leave it. Reason number 4, you don't take demo trading seriously. Firstly, try to understand how trading works on a demo account before you decide to directly jump on the real ground of trading. Don't start on actual platforms while risking your capital. You need to show consistency while running things on the board before you risk your hard-earned money in the market. My recommendation will be don't spend too much time on a demo account. Just 1 to 3 months are enough and an ideal time to start your journey after you have learned trading strategy. Obviously, the practical teacher or real account will teach you best of all, as the emotions fear of risking capital will be there, but it doesn't mean you avoid practice. I don't recommend spending too much time demo trading. However, 1 to 3 months is the ideal amount of time after you've learned a trading strategy. But certainly before you ever try real money trading, you need to demo your trading method to get familiar with it. Solution: make demo trading account your best friend. Treat your demo account and its capital like a real account. The more you closely treat your demo account like a real account, the more you can get your hands full of experience. Getting familiar with a demo account will help you avoid losing money. Reason number 5, you are avoiding the daily chart time frame. Many newbies, while starting out, want to take off their career by focusing on a short time frame chart. They start gaining information from incorrect sources, ending up being obsessed with tick-by-tick movement of 1 and 5 minute charts. These are just little hits in the ocean. Don't sleep on daily charts. What's happening in the market can only be read on higher time frames. Explore daily price bars as it tells clear information and has more authority. Solution: analyze only the daily chart and trade shamelessly. The solution is simple. Don't neglect daily charts. If you don't learn key levels, trends on daily charts, mark my words, you are never going to make money in any time frame. If you really want to trade on some solid intraday charts, start analyzing what is happening on daily charts. Watch closely all the trends, levels, and price action. Understand the importance of learning daily charts and keep focusing on it until you have a strong grip on it. Reason number 7. Poor money management skills. I can't even count how poor money management depleted accounts of traders before they even started. It is the serious issue which keeps draining the hard-earned money of traders. What's the underlying cause of poor money management? Zero knowledge regarding effective money management. The painful truth is, people traders don't want to risk a lot of money in a single trade. So they throw the risk outside of the window and proceed to trade until they stand on zero again. Solution: mentality, prepare yourself. According to my experience, there are only 2 types of people in poor money management. One, who trades with money that he can't afford to lose. Second, who takes unbearable risk on per trade. Don't be these 2 people, you will be saved from poor money management. Organize your financial approach and make sure to plan how much money you can bear to lose per trade and still be okay with it. Problem 7. You want to be always right. Trading balances on probability. Trust me when I say even experts having decades of experience don't have a 100% winning rate. Even genius gurus more likely have a 60% winning rate. Some experienced ones even have lower success rates but still manage to pull off decent profit with trading. How? Look, any single trade has almost 50% chances of being inaccurate. Trading is not about your winning rate, but how much you make on your winning trades. If your winners are larger than your losers, then you'll make a profit, even with a 50% success rate. Solution: growth happens after mistakes. Many untrained traders' focal point is to keep their winning rate high. It's understandable that it's not easy to remain motivated when nothing is going in your favor. There will be days when you will be on your edge to quit trading, but guess what? It's when growth happens. It will be so difficult to follow your trading strategy after a bad trading day, but keep pushing yourself because it's the cost of trading. Problem 8. You are depending yourself on websites and opinions. Imagine flying a jumbo in a flying simulator and then getting a pilot license. What will be the consequences? Yes, you picture the scenario right. Now picture the same scenario in trading. Reading a bunch of books, opinions on websites, assuming yourself to be an expert can be detrimental to your trading journey because becoming an expert involves practical real-life experience. Solution: start trusting yourself. Trust me. The last thing you want to do is losing money on a trade because you decided to listen to some random expert rather than yourself. Simply reading books without actual implementation will suck your ability to develop new skills, analyzation of dynamics of market. Most of the time, newbies think they are doing okay on demo accounts. Well, things take nasty turns as soon as they start trading with real money. Reason number 9. You are treating trading as a hobby. Most often newbies treat trading as a fun hobby. Let me correct you here. Trading is a full-time job that demands dedication and commitment. It's common in newbies to listen to so-called gurus who tell their stories how they build wealth from it. How tempting it sounds, like it's misleading too. Falling prey for these statements can lead to never-ending frustration. I'm not saying it's impossible to achieve returns of over 700 or 1000% annually, but achieving it multiple times would definitely demand skills, knowledge. Let's get real, if you don't grind yourself to required screen time to gain valuable trading experience, you'll vanish in the crowd with your investment. Solution: take trading seriously. Take my words, the moment you start deciding to take trading seriously, you will see significant change in your bottom line. Just trade using a set of rules, review your performance regularly, and don't let overconfidence kill your spirit. Acquire knowledge of how price action works. Study important aspects like key levels, event areas, previous price action signals. Mark these things on your chart as it will keep your future trading game elevated. Problem number 10. Trading without expert. Most traders enter in the battle of trading without any professional trading and end up murdering their accounts with their own hands. Don't kid yourself by believing you can succeed at trading before you have firm grip on price action strategy. It's a hard pill to swallow, but financial market speculation is not for weak minds. You really need to learn chart reading skills, professional training, before you go burning your hard-earned cash. Solution: learn from a professional. Get yourself a mentor who has already made all the mistakes that you will make and can teach you how to avoid it. It will not only fill your pockets but also let you maintain your standard of living, can elevate it too. By learning from a professional, you can expose yourself to best opportunities at succeeding in the market. Moreover, you can save a lot of your cash, time, and stay ahead of your game. Okay traders, let's wrap up the video now. Do you find any reason from the list which is pulling you back from making money from trading? Comment below your issue. I will be checking out the comments and answer your queries too. Remember, it's not enough to be just aware of the issue, you need to implement the solution with consistency too. Take care until next time with another high dose of crazy trading tips. Make sure to subscribe and become part of K family.